Okay, here we are at the trailhead to go to Knobby Rock in the Sand Caves. Coming at you from Blanton Forest, E-Dog, and the marker. And as you see, the trail is not super well marked, but there are kind of blue blazes on the trees with an owl silhouette. So we're gonna just follow the owl blazes on up to Knobby Rock, and we will check in a few times as we get there. So we're doing this hike in mid-October. You see a lot of leaves on the ground. Thankfully, they're not too wet, not too slick. The pretty pleasant hike. I'm not seeing anyone else out here yet. Going by maybe Watts Creek here. And the blaze system is a little bit confusing. There are some old blazes that are marked in yellow here, but there is also a new blaze system with owls. It started off as owls on a blue blaze, and now it's owls on an orange blaze. So if I see one of those, I'll show you, but it's trail's pretty easy to follow. And here's a good example of the other blaze I was telling you about. It has, see, sort of an orange circle with an owl silhouette. All right, so took us about less than an hour. We're at the base of Knobby Rock here, at the break off of Knobby Rock Trail to the right. Actually has these wooden steps. There's E, feeling great. And on the other side of the marker, the maze and sand cave will await us that way. But we're gonna go check out Knobby Rock first. We made it up the stairs. Final ascent to Knobby Rock here. You can hear the sound of kind of a clearing up here. All right, final few steps here. We're almost there. A couple big steps right here. And you're on video? See all kinds of lichen on the rocks. And the payoff is almost here. We can start seeing some of that beautiful view in the distance. The clearing is just ahead. Okay, now really, this time, last few steps. And this is a great time of year to come here because the leaves are starting to change colors. Another week or two would be ideal, but here we are, Knobby Rock. And pretty steep drop off of the edge here. Don't want to get too close to that. Okay, and let's watch as Ethan comes into view here. Remember? Okay, here we are at the edge of Knobby Rock. You can see it is pretty sharp. It is kind of far down there. Not too close to the edge. I'm nice and secure. Don't worry. E far from the edge. Okay, that's about it for Knobby Rock. I think we're off to the sand caves. You can see we've now left Knobby Rock on our way to the sand caves, kind of going around the side of Knobby Rock, and even this is a nice kind of payoff. These big, I guess this is sandstone kind of ridge up here. I think we might have to do some mild scrambling up here a little bit. Pretty cool area. So I think we're getting to the maze, which you can see sort of rocks on rocks and trees on rocks. And it's been kind of steep, a little bit rigorous, but we're doing okay. We did hear a big animal rustling in the bushes. Could have been people, but we didn't hear anyone talking. So we do have the bear bell out, and that's the jingle that you hear. But this part is actually pretty cool. It's a nice scramble, some narrow passes, and you know, we've got the yellow blazes. There's a couple. We can go on the rocks, or we can go around here. We'll kind of see which way is best. All right, so we just made it through our big trek through the rocky pass. We see a yellow arrow this way, so we're going to continue. It's been about 20 years since I've been here, but I think we're getting closer. You can certainly see why this area is called the Sand Caves. Lots of big sandstone rocks, kind of balanced like so. We'll follow the yellow blaze up this way. Oh, nice little technical scramble, actually. All right, so these big sandstone rocks are just getting larger and larger. We're getting very close at this point. Keep losing E. E. E is here, and actually, I believe this is the entrance to the Sand Caves. So, let's check it out. Yes, here we are. So the Sand Caves is basically a big sandstone amphitheater. And it didn't take us long to get here, really. It's time is about 12:30. We started hiking after 10:30, so less than 2 hours, and we took a little break at Knobby Rock, so made pretty good time. And that was basically all, you know, all an incline. So just to show the scope here, you can see Ethan there. We see this kind of sheer cliff. Let's see if we get some echo here. Echo! A little bit, not embarrassingly little, maybe. E and I will back up just so we can see the scope of the Sand Caves. Here we are, a few miles, pretty steep, scrambling at the end, but here's the payoff, Sand Caves. So if you like this video, hit subscribe, share, tell your friends. We don't have a name for this channel yet, nor do we have a channel, but who knows? Okay, one last view of the Sand Caves. Some little graffiti for Juanetta. Now we have to figure out which way to get back. The trail marker here. Up or down. Down takes us back through the maze. Let me try the other way. The way down from the sand cave's not bad either. Got this nice big wall to kind of hang on to, and it kind of continues for a while. Still pretty scenic. Here's a nice little squeeze between two big slabs of rock. Let's see E come through. Hey there. He emerges.
You shall not pass.
Caution, the sign says.
Uh-oh.
All right, just past the little caution sign, we have a little garter snake on the trail. And it's slithered on down the mountain now, so we can pass.